Thinking about ordering your next sandwich with the Subway mobile app in 2025? Let's dive into this quick, honest review before you hit download. The Subway app is all about customizing your order, skipping the line, and unlocking rewards. Right from the start, you'll notice how easy it is to build your perfect sub. You can fully customize every ingredient, from bread to toppings, sauces, and extras. And the visual menu makes it pretty smooth. One of the best parts? Subway MVP rewards. Every purchase racks up points, and they do run frequent promos like double points days or surprise discounts, which is a nice touch if you're a regular. You can even redeem rewards for free subs or discounts, which adds real value. The app also offers quick reordering, so if you're someone who sticks to your favorite combo, it'll save you time. Plus, you can schedule pickup or opt for delivery, depending on your location. Now, let's talk about what's not so great. Some users report occasional glitches during checkout, and depending on your area, store participation might vary, meaning not every Subway honors all deals or delivery options. And while the app is decent, it's not the fastest when it comes to loading menus and customizing during busy hours. So, is the Subway mobile app worth it in 2025? If you're a Subway fan looking to save time and earn free food along the way, it's definitely worth a try. Just be prepared for the occasional hiccup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you in the next one.